Hey students, today we are going to discuss adjectives and adverbs, okay? Adjective describes nouns or pronouns, okay? As you guys can know that noun is the name of anything, like it can be any person, any object or anything. Like we have an example, Ali, Sarah, Canada, Pakistan, tree, book, etc. are the examples of noun. Whereas pronouns are basically the replacements of noun. Like we can say that when we say Sarah, its pronoun is she. When we say Ali, its pronoun is he. We can say that he, she, it, they, etc. are the examples of pronouns, okay? So basically adjectives tells us what kind, how many, or which one, okay? uh, for example, the blue car, three apples, this book, okay? As you guys can see in these sentences, car, apples, and book are the noun, whereas blue, three apples, and this book, they basically describe the kind of and the quantity of or which noun is, okay? Which one is, okay? Like the blue car. Blue is an adjective and it shows the kind of noun, okay? How many? Like three apples. It shows the quantity of the noun or which one, for like this, in this example, this book, okay? Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. As you guys can see that verbs are basically some action or some task, okay, some work, you can say. Work can be singing, eating, cooking. They all are the examples of verbs, okay. Adverbs basically tells us how, when, or where. Let's discuss it with an example. She runs quickly. We arrived early. He looked everywhere. Okay, in this example, you can see that runs, arrived, and looked are the verbs. Okay, so she runs quickly. This sentence show that how she runs. We arrived early. This sentence show that the time, like when we arrived, okay, or where. He looked everywhere. This sentence show basically the place, like where, okay. Let's move towards the next slide. Okay. Does the adjective tell you what kind or how many? Okay, what kind? A tall tree, a happy dog. The tree and dog are the nouns, okay? And tall and happy are the adjective. And it shows the kind of the noun, okay? It shows the kind of noun, okay? It describes a noun very efficiently. Okay, how many? Three cats, several books. As you guys can see that cats and books are the examples of nouns, whereas three or several shows the quantity of the noun. Okay. So the next one is activity. Which adjective tells you how many? Okay. How many means the quantity. Okay. The first one is two apples and the next one is shiny coin. Yes, your answer is correct. Two apples shows how many, okay? Because it describes the quantity of the noun. Okay. Identify adjective that describes noun. Okay. Adjective describes noun by telling us more about them, okay? For example, the big house has a red color, okay? As you guys can see that house and door are highlighted in blue color. This shows that they are noun, whereas big and red highlighted in yellow color, which means they are adjective. Okay, the big house has a red door. It describes the noun very efficiently, more efficiently. The big house has a red color. Okay, look for words that give details about the noun. Okay, the beautiful garden is full of colorful flowers. Okay, as you guys can see that the garden and flowers are highlighted in blue color. It means they are noun. Okay. Whereas the beautiful and the colorful, it describes noun very well. Okay. So we can say that beautiful and colorful are the adjectives, okay? Underline the adjectives in these sentences, okay? She wore a shiny dress and a sparkly shoes. Okay, in this sentence, I highlight the dress and shoes in blue color, which shows that they are noun, whereas shiny and sparkly shows that they are adjective. Okay. Okay, order of adjectives. This is important. You can learn the order of the objective so that you can understand the thing more quickly. Like, first we give opinion, then we mention the size, then age, then we mention shape, color, origin, material, purpose, and noun. Okay? For example, a beautiful, large, old, round, red Italian wooden dining table. Okay. In this, in this example, table is a noun. Okay. So, a beautiful is an opinion, large is a size, old is an age, round is a shape, red is a color, Italian is origin, wooden is a material, purpose is dining, and noun is a table. Okay? So let's move towards the next slide. Okay, does the adverb tell you how, when, or where? First of all, I have told you that adverbs uh, are basically describes the verbs, adjectives, and or other adverbs. Okay? Okay. It basically tells us how, when, or where. Okay, adverbs that tells how something happens. Okay, for example, she sings beautifully, he walked slowly, they worked hard. Okay, sings, walk, work. I highlighted this in blue because they are verb, they are some action. Okay, they are some action. Whereas beautifully, slowly, and hard, they are adverb because they show how the work happened. Okay, she sings beautifully, he walked slowly, they work hard. These three words describe the how the work happened. Okay, one, adverbs that tells when something happens. For example, they arrived yesterday, we will go tomorrow, she called earlier. Okay, as you guys can see that arrived, go, called, they all are the examples of verb, whereas yesterday, tomorrow, earlier, they all are adverb because they show the time. Yesterday, yes. Okay, and go are the verbs, and call is also a verb. Okay, where? Okay, adverb that tells where something happens. Okay, it basically describes the place. He looked outside, they